characteristics of instruments. I'm going to explain this particular topic in further slides. Dynamic performance characteristics of an instrument is known by discussing the following terms. By measuring these following terms, the performance of an instrument is being known, and it is treated as is it is better or not. It is known by measuring the speed of response, measurement lag, fidelity, dynamic error, dynamic range, bandwidth. Discussing these following terms, the performance of instrument can be known perfectly. Speed of response. It is the rapidity with which an instrument responds to sudden change in the measured quantity. It is the rapid means sudden. Rapid means the changes occurring in the instrument and response to sudden change in measured quality. If there is any change occurs in a measured quality response, the speed of response is known. Uh, the speed of response is known. If it is give speed very fast, then it is very good instrument for measuring the instruments. If it is give some after some time, it is little bit difficult to handle it. It is the uniqueness of an instrument with which it responds to sudden change in amplitude of input signal. It need to uh, behave with the range of input signal also. The speed of response can be also stated as the total time taken by the system to come closer to steady state condition. Means the speed of response can be stated total time taken by a system to come closer to steady. If any change occurs, uh, that change should the speed of response of a system can be evaluated by knowing the measurement lag of system. Measurement lag. It is the reduction or delay in the response of an instrument to changes in the measured quantity. The measuring lag can be either of reduction type, in which case the response of instrument begins immediately on change in measured variable, or of the time delay by called dead in time. Pause to response of the instrument is simply shifted along time scale. Fidelity. It is determined by the fact that how closely the instrument reading follows the measured value. Let is the degree to which an instrument indicates the changes in measured value out without dynamic error. The error should not present. How much error means the accuracy. Accuracy of the instrument is known. Dynamic error. It is the difference between true value of probability changing with time measured variable and the instrument reading of if no static error is assumed. Dynamic error is known the difference between true value of a quantity changing with time measured variable and the instrument reading if no static error is assumed. The range of values of certain quantity uh, for which the measuring instrument can produce faithful response under dynamic condition is known as dynamic range of instrument. Dynamic range is represented as the ratio of maximum value to the minimum value for which the system can respond effectively. Sorry, the range of values of certain quantity like temperature, dynamic pressure, voltage, for which the measuring instrument can produce faithful response under dynamic condition is known as dynamic range of instrument. Instrument range is represented as the ratio of maximum value to the minimum value for which system can respond effectively. Bandwidth, the range of frequency with in which dynamic sensitivity of system is lies within a specified band of static sensitivity of system is known as bandwidth of system. The aptitude various frequency characteristics of a system are flat within bandwidth of the system. Thank you.